Hi, everyone. I'm Dale Pinker. Let's have a great week. Crude is bouncing off the lows, and Canada's coming off the highs. This is the first divergence. Not sure if that's it. Could be. Got close enough. Thought maybe 35, but very nice bounce. So the market could recover. Very big break in Canada. I usually like to wait for two divergences. We've got one. We'll see if we could generate one more high in the Canadian for a short. Here's drive one. Oh, you guys don't see my charts. Now you will. So here's drive one. Here's our first divergence, very glaring under 70. I like to wait for three, but it could be two. Same setup in the crude oil. Getting a bounce with divergence here. Who's in the house? How's everyone doing? Also, you may want to take a picture. I talked about this Friday. It manifested the three drive to a top formation in the pound. Broke the rising wedge. So far holding the 200. So it's Fed week. Let's have a great one. Who's in the house? I see Jax. I see Adinda. I see REG. I'm not sure who REG is. Welcome to our community. I wonder, did anyone have trouble logging in today? Hi, Ron, because I don't see Ron's handle up there. How are you, buddy? I have a great guest today. Ben's been with us before. Ron, did you have any trouble logging in today? There's hardly anyone around. The yen setting up. I need one more low in the yen. Jax, how are you? So the market's recovering a bit. Everyone doing okay? Hi, JM. How are you doing, my trading warrior brother? So the pound was a pretty good call up here on Friday. It was showing the third drive touching the wedge line here last Friday. Anyone took it, you have a nice lead. We broke down from the rising wedge. Hello, Fab. How are you? All went smooth? Okay. Adinda, do you have the email for Ben today? And what's Ben's last name again, please? Our guest today. Hi, Alexandros. How are you, buddy? So enjoy the next couple days because Wednesday we all enter the twilight zone. Hello, Khalid. Everyone ready for the twilight zone on Wednesday? Give me a Y if you are. Mystic, how's it going? Get ready for the twilight zone. And I'd be flat for the Fed. Okay, thank you. Lockhart. Okay, thank you, Adinda. I forgot his last name. Thank you, Adinda. Everyone doing okay? Okay. You voted for Alexandros? On what? What did you vote for him on? For what? For favorite interview? What was everyone's favorite interview this year? Anyone? I asked it on Twitter. I didn't get many responses except for Malcolm. Malcolm liked Nicola at Nick Trades. I told him it's not Match.com. But Malcolm really loved Nicola at Nick Trades. Hi, Pipper. How are you doing today, buddy? So the market could recover. What's a Twitter contest? What Twitter contest? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Did I win that one? I think we have a bromance brewing between Jax and Alex. A little bit of a bromance going on here, guys. So did anyone take this third drive trade in the pound? That was a pretty good call, don't you think? That guy Pinkert's a pretty good guesser. So I pointed out the divergence, the three drive, the rising wedge, the confirmed low. 3 reasons to be bearish pound dollar on Friday. Confluence of bearish technicals. Confluence. Ricardo's in the house. Ricardo, you want me to show your Skype stuff or you want to post it here? Who won biggest comeback? Most courageous man in FX. Who won that, Jax? I think that's mine award. I'm very jealous. I'm just a jealous guy. I'm very jealous. I'm glad for you, Alex. But I'm also very happy for you and Alex. I might be a little jealous, but at the same time, very happy that you guys found each other here in LAR. Hi, Carlos. How are you, bro? Okay. So don't confuse my jealousy for not being happy that you two men found each other. Okay, buddy? Yes, I'm the most courageous guy, the comeback award of the year. So Ben Lockhart's a great technician. Well, that's good because 1985, yeah. But if crude bounces, it might bounce before we get to 1985, don't you think? that it'll bounce with the crude. So try and clean your books up before the Fed on Friday. That's my advice. Mauricio's back in LAR. He should be back in LAR. Okay, so we got some looks here. I said Wednesday. It's Wednesday. So here's here's Ricardo's look on the crude. We get a bounce from here all the way to 39. Wow. No, maybe this was it today. Okay, so it came off it. I thought it was a buck lower. Thank you, Rick. Here's Jack says short Aussie. I'm looking for 71 on Aussie. What do you got, buddy? Oh, that's from a while ago. Yeah, we talked about that up there too. Nice trade, man. I'm looking for 71. And here's a triangle in gold from Alexandros. We'll see if it could hold. Nice look. Nice look. Thank you, everyone, for your looks. Thank you, Jax. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Alexandros. Thank you, Forex Stop Hunter. Thank you, Dale Pinker. Thank you, guys. So we did diverge in the crude down here. You have to admit that. Yeah, I'm looking for one more drive down here in Aussie. See how we diverged here? I'd like to wait for one more. I'm going to wait for one more. Everyone see that's just like Canada, only it's under 30. Give me a walk. You see the divergence here? It's the first one since back here. $19.85. Okay. Thank you, Rick. There's Rick's look at the S&P. Looking for his 1980 was his target off this. Thank you, buddy. Whoops. We can do that. Best guess inflection point on Wednesday. Hello, Abel. How are you? I see a new handle in here, D Bista. I'll just call you D. Everyone welcome D Bista. Make them feel welcome. Hi, Peg. Fame, how are you? Everyone doing okay? So we have the first divergence in a while in crude. And then when you look at Canada, we've only had one. Let's see if we get one more. Here we go. One confirmed high, two diverge. I'd like to see one more high in Canada and one more low in crude. Sometimes I miss things waiting for one more. Sometimes all you need is one divergence, but I prefer to wait. Hi, John 573. How are you? Here's Alexandro's dollar look. Back over 98. This kind of looks incomplete too, doesn't it? Like we've had two drives. Doesn't that look like two drives to you, Alex? One, two, maybe one more, and then it turns. Nice look, though. Thank you, Alex. Nice dollar look. Looks incomplete to me. Hi, Izzy. How are you? Izzy, did you catch the pound? This was a classic one. 140 is 140 and what? RSI helps me with everything. 140 and what? The pound? Yeah, we're almost at a third drive here in the end, too. Right? We have one, two, maybe one more. Right here, readjust the lines a little bit. Maybe 2025, 2050, yeah. One more shot down. So Happy, I'm not sure what you're asking me about. 140 in the pound. I think RSI helps me with almost everything I trade. Not sure what you're asking. Oh, the CAD, yeah. It could, but we could, if we go to 140, it probably blows it out. But maybe 38 and a half. Maybe we're not going to 140. To me, this was a reason to get out of longs. We made a new high without it confirming. Yeah, that was another good one, the Guppy. Yep, we nailed the retrace, didn't we, at 5.5? Didn't Pinker nail the retrace? 520, 550. You'll put it in one message. Okay. Good. Nice trade, Rick. Yeah. So we knew because of euro pound to short the Guppy instead of the euro yen. Although Khalid made money on the euro yen, the preferred short was a guppy. Well, we'll see. It's not just the price, it's how it gets there. Capiche? It's not just the price, but how it gets to a price. You understand that? Thank you, everyone, for your contributions. Hello, Ziggy. How are you? Thank you for the tweet, Zig. So really, this is becoming the linchpin to everything right now is oil. That was a good call, Alexandros. Everyone doing okay? So I want to take a poll. Who was your favorite guest interview this year? Who was your favorite guest interview? So we probably had a couple hundred interviews this year. Give me your favorites. What were your favorites? Sorry about that. Everyone doing okay? Dale, interviewing myself was your favorite? You too? You thought that was the best one? Come on. There were great interviews. Adam Button and Nicola, okay. Adam's great. Adam's great. Oh, everyone liked me interviewing myself. Pick a few, Rick. Pick a few. It's hard to pick. There were so many good ones. I've never had anyone come here that would not come back. So, they enjoy doing it. They get visibility and we have fun. People say they look forward to being interviewed because it's fun. What do you think of that? Fun, fun, fun. Hi, D. And we'll have fun, fun, fun till the granny takes the T-bird away. And we'll have fun, fun, fun till my granny takes the T-bird away. I don't know, Ali. No, Sir Pink. I enjoyed interviewing Marty. I enjoyed interviewing Martin Armstrong. Okay, Ron. I think Norm nailed the high in the S&Ps last week. And then Nicola nailed the yen short last week. Selling up to 39. Thank you, Malcolm. You got my tweet that I know you like Nicola, but it's not Match.com. You fell in love with. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good one, Faf. Dow's up 25 now. Well, this might be a good week for her to take it away, Fab. You give it to her Wednesday morning, okay? You promise me? And then she could give it back to you after the Fed. So you give it to her before the Fed, and she'll give it back to you after the Fed. Is it a deal? Khalid, what are you looking at this week? Gold still acting better than crude. Hello, Sir Vedran. Sir Vedran took Wall Street by storm. They shut down trading when he walked on the floor. I know that's what Malcolm fell in love with her voice. So, they halted trading when Sir Vedran walked on the floor of the NYSE last week. They had a big down day on Wall Street when Sir Vedran was there. Everyone, glad you're home safe and sound, Sir Vedran. He was in New York City. Everyone keeps me updated with where they're going. I go nowhere. Oh, yeah, the pound Swiss from last week. Is it still working, buddy? There's a new handle. Everyone welcome Tosin. Izzy, did you see how the pound worked? I don't know. Maybe Tosin's been here before. But it never hurts to make someone feel welcome again. Welcome, Tosin. Good one, Malcolm. Yeah, 60-minute pause. They halted the market on you. What are you thinking this week, Mystic? Did you listen to that song, Mystic? Van Morrison's song, Into the Mystic? Just Google Van Morrison Into the Mystic YouTube video. I know you'll like it. Gold's tough. Welcome to the jungle. Lar Lions, the Lar Lions, that's us. So let's see if crude could do it one more time. This is the first divergence, and let's see if CAD could generate another push up. I think it will. Maybe we'll even get through this return line one more time. Stock market's unchanged. Gold shares are a little lower. Bonds are lower. You'll like it. Where are you from, Mystic? Let's get a feel for our where everyone's from. I think we have a pretty diverse group, geographical group here. I'm in San Diego. Where's everyone else? I know Rick's in Argentina. I know Decadic is in Jordan. I know Ziggy is in New York. Armand's in Las Vegas. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Mauricio Carrillo in his crouched position in his photo. Welcome back. You're like the good. Welcome back, Mauricio. We all missed you here in LAR. I haven't really had much time to even tune my guitar. So welcome back to Spain. I know you'll be a pain, but welcome back anyway, Mauricio. We're glad to have you here, and let's have a beer. Welcome back, Mauricio. Eurocad. How do you like your welcome back song? How do you like it, man? I bet no one's ever played a welcome back song to you in your whole life. Have they? Okay, yeah, nice. That was a heck of a move right here. Thank you, Rick. Living from the Dominican, okay. That's right, Ali's in Canada. Where is that, Mrs. Waga? Where is it? Toronto? Or way north? What province, Ali? Is that in cold? I know almost every place is cold. I do. I do. Remote in Mexico. Put it on the company credit card. Put it on the company credit card. It's my Christmas bonus. A trip to Spain. I'll pay for my housing. Oh, veteran's going to drive from Croatia. How long would it take you to drive to Barcelona, veteran? I guess I should be more focused on the markets here, huh? You know, I'm not doing anything heavy until the Fed, so we'll see. So we got a rally in the Dow. It's up 50. S&Ps are up 6. I love you guys. Oh, they did it? Wow. Okay, it's like a day. All right. Yeah. You're a traveler. You're a traveling man. You're a traveling man, sir veteran. So crude is fading here. We'll see if we could still get this 35. I mean, that's still a buck and a half lower from here. So don't you think FX Street should have me come to the home office and hang out for a few weeks? Gold's quiet. Aussie will have a nice wedge look down here. I'm starving. Pound's trying to hold. Euro never got the third drive here. I'm going to come in up here. I'm going to take a train to Europe. What do you think of that? Okay. So you're near where Giuseppe Bazil lives in Toronto, you know, Ollie. Bib stalker. I'll take a train to Spain and wear scuba diving gear. I'll take a train. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. What's going on, Rick? So we got a recovery going in a minor recovery anyway. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So Rick, when there's not a lot going on if Rick is looking at 5-minute charts. So he's got it labeled here. Okay. 5-minute ABC. Thank you, Rick. Okay, then I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break, everyone. Stick around for Ben Lockhart in about a half hour. Could continue to collaborate and share charts. Thank you, Rick. be back in 5. Thank you, Adinda. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. Mauricio, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Thank you, everyone, for your contributions so far today.
A little cold.
I'm back. Everyone doing all right? Canada's going to blow again. Table still feels heavy to me. Hello, Dave. How are you? Everyone okay? Give me a Y if you could hear me. There's Rick's EuroCAD. I don't know. I'd almost like to see one more high. Still think Aussie could project down to the 71 level. Jax is on this one. Crude's trying to hold. Gold's trying to hold. Give me a Y if you guys could hear me. No. Everyone doing all right? The lead. We get a bonus. We get a bonus with Khalid's screenshot. Euro yen. Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. I like it. Nice 1, 2, 3, Khalid. Nice work, buddy. Everyone thank D. Kadic for his Euro yen look. 1 hour, he's looking at a 1, 2, 3. Above 30. Thank you, D. Kadic. Nice, buddy. You must have had a good coach. I think you had a good coach. How about you, Ron? You stalking anything in front of the Fed or for after the Fed? What's everyone's best idea post-Fed? Yeah, I think I saw that chart. That's interesting. So it's really not, it really didn't take out the 2000 highs. How about that? I like that. I remember this. Interesting look, Ricardo. Thank you. Coach Pinker. Thank you. Thank you, DK. All right, Bed. Take it easy, buddy. Snaga, buddy. Stick around for Ben Lockhart. Ben's an excellent technician. Don't forget the panel we're having Friday. Hi, Sarek. Adinda or Mauricio, can you post the link for people to register to hear the panel Friday? Told Maud I'd promote it. I've been promoting it on Twitter. If either you or Mauricio could post a link. I think it'll be an inflection day, just like the ECB was. The ECB, wow. So, guys, there's where you register for the FX Street 2016 Outlook panel. Agenda posted the link. Thank you, Adinda. What do you mean 112 to 102? What are you talking about, the Dixie? I'm not sure what you mean. There is a long talked about 102 target in the Dixie, 102.50-ish. But I don't know what 112 means, buddy. Forex Pipper has an aggressive target on the guppy. Got to get through 180, 181 first, Pipper. Gold's coming off now. Gold's under pressure. So can you explain that to me, please, Jax? What, 112? What you're talking about, 112? Oh, euro. Okay. I see. Okay. So euro, you're looking for one more drive. I think there is a third drive line up there. I don't think it's 112, but let's see. More like 111-ish, 111. So we had the third drive on the pound, but never had one on the euro, right? We had the third drive on the pound. There's your 4 hour, 1, 2, 3. We had it under 70, but never completed it on the euro. Looks like we want to up around 111-ish. Give me a Y if you see it. The pound accomplished it. One, two, three, and the euro never did. Okay, Jack. Another look from Khalid. Pound Swiss. Okay. So you had a bounce there, and now you might be getting 3. I see. Here's the pound Swiss 4 hour for Khalid. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Good hunting, Rick. Stand by for Ben Lockhart in about 10, 15 minutes. Ben Lockhart 21. Everyone doing okay? I semi-log. So semi-log's with you, I think. He's looking for a new high. What do you got, buddy? Yeah, looking for a new high. That's what makes a market. Thank you, semi-log. Everyone thanks semi. Thank you, semi. Stand by for Ben Lockhart. Got an update on the dollar from Ben and the gold. How are you today, Sirik? What are you thinking, Peg? Say you need a new car. You ought to hang out with us in Lar. Say you rent and want to get a house. Be with us before you click your mouse. And you want to be a star. Show your charts in Lar. L A R R R car. Hi, Dave. Hi, Sinatra. Happy birthday. It was Sinatra's birthday. It was Sinatra's birthday, 100th birthday this weekend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Frank Sinatra. Happy birthday to you. You're the chairman of the board. You are the chairman of the board. So why did you let Joey Bishop wear a scarf around his neck? I didn't like that scarf look. Joey Bishop. Still short, Kiwi. Good for you, Peg. Everyone congratulate Peg. How long you been short that Kiwi, buddy? Oh, it's still going up. Yeah, the Aussie Kiwi said that was a short. So not late then. Looking for 68. Oh, you're long. Okay. You bought it where? Where did you buy it? I think it was before this spike, wasn't it? Yeah. But you got long in the around the 66 range. You're the man. I'm nominating Pegasus wins the Man Award for being long the Kiwi from last week. Nice trade, Peg. Everyone congratulate Pegasus. He wins the Man Award. Congratulations, Pegasus. I think Carlos has something for me. There's a Euro USD. This is from Carlos. Bullish. Looking for 13, 5 to 15. I agree with this. I agree with it. Everyone thank Carlos for his daily look on the euro. I believe this is a daily. Yes. Thank you, Carlos. Carlos looking for 115 in the euro, 113 to 115. Oh, here's Jax's. There you go, Jax. I didn't see it. Sometimes I miss the links. So here's Jack's roadmap in the euro. Up to 113 and then down. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Jax. What are you thinking? The Fed does not tighten and the euro rallies, and then it falls. Is that what you're thinking here? Crude's popping. Thank you, Jackson Carlos. Ben should be with us shortly. Ben Lockhart, stand by for Ben. Stand by for Ben Lockhart. Okay, that could be, yeah, that's what I'm hearing. Yeah, that they're going to be very dovish, a tightening and a very dovish statement. Okay. I actually think the euro could trade in the 120 handle range. Why not? Trying to turn the crude here. Yeah, I'll react to the reaction. I'm not going to try and front run the Fed. I'm not going to front run the Fed. Waiting to see if Ben shows up here. Very cold in my house today. I hear you, Ali, my trading warrior brother. Whatever she does, there'll be something to do. Better not to predict it, though. Euro pound getting ready for a third drive as well, up around 73.40. I see the euro pound going to 73.40 here. Okay, nice Swiss short. Goes with your euro long. Nice trade, Jacks. Everyone congratulate Jacks for having a good hedge on against his Aussie. Thank you, Jacks.
I'm free.
Everyone doing okay? If you love Lar, give me a Y. There's mine. How many went back to rewatch the Martin Armstrong interview? Anyone go back and watch it again? Here comes the euro. Pound's a weak sister. Everyone doing okay? We'll see if Ben shows up here. Okay. That's show business, Adinda. That's live TV. You never know. Isn't that exciting? You never know. Everyone doing all right? Yen's not ready. See if CAD could do it. See what WTI could do here. Gold held again. Markets are pretty jumpy. I really am going to sit on my hands except for long-term positions into the Fed. I'm going to sit on my hands until after the Fed. When the markets are jumpy like this, it makes me jumpy. I'd rather just stand aside and get the inflection point out of the way. Tapish? You're long the right one because Euro hasn't completed. Nice call, Khalid. Plus, what do you have here? What kind of high is this, buddy? Okay. What kind of high did we have there? Confirmed high. Looks like a bull flag to me. I'm proud of you, Khalid. So next time you want to short a yen cross, make it the guppy instead of the EJ. Right? Euro yen's your preferred long until the dollar bottoms. Do they? Well, they lose the farm too. I'm just a tenant farmer. Yeah. I'm just a tenant farmer. You mean gamblers? You mean gamblers, right, Mystic? Real gamblers bet the farm in front of the Fed. Not that I don't have that instinct. But if I'm going to do that, I'm going to do it on sports where I have no tools. See, because you were short the strength. So buy breaks in Euro yen, sell rallies in the guppy until the trend of Euro pound changes. So far, no Ben Lockhart. I tweeted, so we'll see. Full leverage song? Okay. Use max leverage when you trade the markets. Turn $10 into 10K. Use max leverage when you trade the markets. If you try and turn 10 bucks into 10K, your equity will go away. Ask and ye shall receive. That's it. That's the max leverage song. Round of applause. Everyone doing all right? You're very welcome. Glad to serve. Glad to entertain. Glad to entertain all my friends here. I guess I could stand up and take a bow. I take a bow. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Mauricio said that I'm not the star. It's the guests that are the star, not me. Glad you like it, Pip. So my apologies that Ben Lockhart didn't show. It's out of my control. I can't control anybody but myself, and I could barely do that. So my apologies on that, guys. Everyone doing all right? We will be covering, of course, the Fed live with Val and Mauricio, and not sure who else Mauricio has lined up. Hello, Planet. How are you, buddy? Hope you're enjoying your time in here, Monir. You too, Tosin. Gold hanging on by a thread. Everyone doing okay? So we have about 40 minutes left in the session. They're pressing the S&Ps again. Rick was talking about a turnaround Tuesday. Maybe it'll be a turnaround Wednesday. Carlos has another look for us. Aussie? Okay. Aussie daily. Aussie 1 hour. Yeah, I still think we're going down. I agree with your blue. So Carlos sent us here's the hourly on the Aussie, and here's the daily. Everyone thank Carlos for those looks. Thank you, Carlos. Always good to have you with us, buddy. Mystic taking a shot at the euro up here. Still think it needs a new high here. Looks like it's coming in around 111. Do you understand my 3 drive concept? It looks incomplete until it takes this high out, Mystic. And this should be our second divergence. Yeah, I think so too. At least to 111 here. Yeah. The pound was the one, right, Sarah? The pound was the one that we talked about, and you saw it as well on Friday. You have 111.30 as some type of fib. 111.30. Thank you, Sarah. Well, we diagnosed cable, right? You saw the pound top Friday. Did you take it? The pound top? Okay. Yeah, I'm not arguing. I'm just trying to show you what I look for. That's all. I'm far from the trading messiah, Mystic. I'm just an everyman. You could be right, too. It doesn't have to get up to that line. Does not have to get there. I just do a little teaching. Jax likes the cable here. $51.60, $51.70. Okay. Thank you, Jax. Yeah, 51.75. There's some confluence with some moving averages there, Jax. See that? 51.70. 51.75. I see what you're looking at. Everyone okay? Thank you, Rick. Oops. Yeah, it's going to your 113 and 112.5. 113. Up here. Thank you, Rick. Oops. $11.30 is my third drive line. Thank you, Rick. Might blow through the divergence here. Might blow it out. Yen still doing nothing special. Thank you, Rick, for your transparency. Anyone who doesn't say they're wrong is inauthentic. Anyone who never admits that they're wrong is inauthentic. How about an amen to that? We're all wrong. There's my amen. Admitting we're wrong is authentic. How about an amen on that? Here comes the CAD for another move to the upside. There you go. We all do. Good one, Jack. You're very authentic. And beneficial. Good one, buddy. I think Jax has one of the best sense of humors in here. You make me laugh, Jax. You make me laugh every day, buddy. I appreciate it. Thank you for making me laugh every day, buddy. And now that you're trading, at your personality. I'm not laughing at your trading. Just your personality tickles me. I hope Alexandros doesn't get jealous. But I love you too, man. I love you, man. I love you, Jax. Come to Lar, there's a chance you will find a bromance. Come to Lar, and there's a chance you will find a romance. Oh, good one, Misty. Good one, man. Well, you're misspelling it, man. I see you right much more often than you're wrong. Your hit rate's way over 50%. Am I correct? Your hit rate over 50%? That's a good one, Mystic. You getting out? You've had enough, huh? They're going to turn it today? You might be right. Nice trade, Rick. Okay, Rick's been right a few times in the S&Ps. He took no heat Friday, so I'm giving Rick the man award. Rick, you get the man award for your S&P work. Thank you, Mystic. You're welcome, Rick. Look at that Elvis Presley guy. Hit it. Look at the girls staring. They love me. Look. There you go, Sinatra. Sammy, part of the Rat Pack. Nice work on the S&Ps, Rick. Gold hanging on by a thread. Nice work today, Larians. Nice work. We're getting the turn in the S&Ps here. Everyone doing okay? Everyone doing all right? Crude spiking. Nice out, Rick. Uh-oh. So that was it in the crude. Here's a look from Khalid. US dollar index, 96.40. Could be. Thank you, Decadic. Here's Cyrix Pound Aussie. Thank you, Cyrix. Thank you, Decadic. Thank you, Cyrix. Okay, you're getting the turn in the euro. Okay, yeah, a little tail here. Thank you, Mystic. Congratulations on your short. Nice timing. Nice timing, man. Everyone congratulate Mystic on his entry on the short euro. Win, lose, or draw, the euro came off from his entry. Nice work, buddy. Who thinks Mystic is a great addition to our community? Give me a Y if you think he is. I could already tell he is. I'd like to see more of his technical work. But here's my why. I'm glad to have Mystic in here, who thinks he's a great addition to our community. There's my why. Also, Cyric. Oh, there you go. There's a chart from Mystic. So different time frame looks he uses. "45-minute charts." Interesting. How did you come up with a 45-minute time frame to trade off of? How did you choose that? Just curious. Uh-oh. What's that there? Yeah, I'm wondering how you came up with 45 minutes as a time frame. How did you decide on that? Okay, that's interesting to me. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I like that. I like it. See how we could always learn something new every day? I never even thought about that. Thanks for sharing that, Mystic. Thank you. That's interesting too. And what's that? Pi? Is that pi? 133? Very creative concept. Creative concept. I like it. You mean you're welcome. Yes, gracias. Pound still looks heavy. Everyone doing all right? Okay, that's right. Yeah, there you go. Interesting. I like that. What about 133? Right. We're all adults, Mystic. We all know we're captains of our own ship. We're all responsible for what we do with our mouths. And we're all captains of our own ship. So don't worry. People are advised not to take anything blindly, but appreciate your input. So don't be bashful about your input because you're afraid someone will blame you for something. That doesn't happen in here. No one blames anybody in here except themselves. And they shouldn't even be doing that. They should just move on. So thank you, Mystic. So everyone, here's my wrap up for the day. Euro USD still looks like it wants to fulfill a potential third drive to a top. It's a little cleaner on the 4-hour chart. It's coming in right around the 111 level. The third drive to a top, talked about, forecasted Friday, is manifested. Pound still showing relative weakness to the euro, which should propel euro pound for its third drive up around 73.5, 73.40. And US dollar yen is quiet, not doing anything yet. We could potentially have a third drive on a turnaround Tuesday. And with that, I want to thank everyone for their contributions today. I want to thank Mystic, Sinatra, Ali, Cyric, Luimo, Welcome Tozen, Planet, Ron, Happy, Forex Stop Hunter, Sinatra, Izzy, Jax, Forex Pipper, Ricardo, Fame, Dave, Malcolm, Monir, John, Fab, Semi-Log showed a chart today, Ali, Doug, Mauricio, Adinda, JM, Ekadic, thanks for sharing your work. Abel, great to see you here again today, guys. I want to remind everyone that if LAR is helping you, the way to say thank you is to establish an account with Forex Pro if you're a non-US dollar resident. I want to thank Mauricio, glad he's back in Barcelona. Thank you, Adinda. Thank you, FX Street. Thank you, Larians. It's going to be a wild Twilight Zone episode for us on Wednesday. So try and clean up everything before the Fed so that you're not playing roulette, red or black bets in front of the Fed, but that you'll react to the reaction, be prepared with your technical areas so that you're not analyzing on the fly, but you're executing should those areas become available to you after the news and everything has settled. Ron, good to have you back. Missed you when you weren't around. Okay, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. See everyone for Turnaround Tuesday. Adios. You're welcome. You're welcome, everyone.